Today, I'm gonna give you my greatest weapon. When you start working on it, whatever amount of money that you want, always available for you. Because this concept that I'm gonna teach you, when you just apply it, you'll never have to worry about money. And I think I'm so blessed simply because when I graduated college, nakakatawa kasi nag-apply ako ng 100 kumpanya. Ni isang company walang tumawag sa akin for interview. Not even Jollibee and McDonald's. As in, sobrang devastated ako. Tapos, pinakamalaking break na meron ako sa buhay ko is nakakuha ko ng isang trabaho and I worked there for 15 years. My first job was janitor. Why was I blessed? Na-realize ko, yung unang exposure ko sa trabaho, hindi ako nagtrabaho sa isang boss, hindi ako nagtrabaho sa isang manager, kung hindi na-realize ko, nagtrabaho ka sa isang mentor. And that mentor actually supported me with the greatest lesson in life that up until now, I am still adapting. Up until now, I am still embracing. That no matter what I do in my life, I'll always be successful. Okay ba yun? Na my success is never dependent on the company, on the boss, or on the country, or in the economy. My success is dependent on who I am.